Today I'll be showing you how to clean your EPSON DS-32000 series scanner. I'll be showing you the document path cleaning and feed roller cleaning. When cleaning your scanner, as with any scanner, we recommend having the right materials. Therefore, we recommend using isopropyl alcohol and Kimtech wipes. We also recommend putting isopropyl alcohol inside a small bottle so it's easier to control when you spray it. The Kimtech wipes are good for cleaning your scanners because they don't leave additional dust on the surface, so when you clean the lenses and the rest of the path, it doesn't leave extra dust or speckles behind and have the potential for streaks on your scanned image. When you're ready to start cleaning, start by opening up your scanner. You do this by folding back the input tray and folding down the output tray. Then, take the release trigger to open up the front cover of your scanner. You have all your materials ready to go. Take your Kimtech wipe and dampen it with your isopropyl alcohol. Take your dampened Kimtech wipe and run it along the path, cleaning it so there's no dust left behind. Make sure you do this on both sides of the scanner. Repeat this same process on the rollers of the scanners. Make sure you get all rollers on both sides of the scanners and make sure you do both sides. Depending on how frequently or infrequently you clean your scanner, it may take more than one wipe on the rollers. And that's how you clean your EPSON DS-32000 series scanner.